Hello, I'm the awful chef. I gotta eat, so I better cook something. I gotta go to work here pretty quick, so let's make some lunch. Okay, so in the pan, I started without you. I got an onion seasoning up. Ooh, a little bit of fawn developing there. Pardon me while I take a minute to deglaze the pan with a little wine. A little white wine, the highest quality there. Okay, good. That's coming along nicely. Oh, French cooking. Gotta love it. Onions cooked in butter with a little wine, salt, pepper, and garlic. So, work soup, lentils, and a few other things. Let me see if I can do this without spilling it all over the floor. Oh, here we go. Ta-da-ta-da! So that's mint, tomato paste, chopped cherry tomatoes, bacon, bay leaves, sriracha, paprika, and chicken stock. And because it's morning, I'm going to take a sip of coffee in a minute. As well as half a cup of rinsed and drained lentils, the white wine, the onion, and the garlic you've already seen. The bacon is entirely optional, which I throw in now. Oh, where's my coffee? There it is. Oh, somebody's interested. And there he goes. So, yes. Chicken stock. Good morning, everybody. So, work food, yes. Stirring the bacon around a little bit. The garlic was coarse chopped. And everything is coming together beautifully in this pan. Let's go ahead and put in some paprika and let that bloom in the oil. Now that I've turned the camera completely away from where I'm cooking. Yeah, this YouTube thing is a little bit interesting sometimes. I get on TV and make dinner. Or in this case, make work food. Oh, that smells good. Okay, a little bit of chopped cherry tomatoes. The bacon and tomatoes are very optional. You know, if you don't have them, don't use them. If you don't have fresh mint, use dry mint. I like the fresh tomatoes and I love bacon. So I'm using them. The most important part of this is to properly cook the onions. That's what creates so much of the flavor. Properly cooked onions. Let them go for 10 minutes, let them turn a little brown. Recipes will tell you not to, but it changes the flavor completely and adds a depth, particularly to vegetarian cooking. Brown onions have more flavor than regular onions. Think French onion soup versus the onions on a hamburger. Okay. Oh, that is coming along nicely. So, a squirt of tomato paste, which I almost wasn't going to do, but why not? You know, I like tomato. I'll fry that up, get rid of the tinny taste inherent in all tomato pastes. You'll notice I'm using a tube of tomato paste instead of the can. That's because it ends up being cheaper. I waste a lot less. Okay. Oh, that smells wonderful. Bacon, tomato, onions, garlic. Ooh. Half a cup of lentils. The lentils are cooking nicely. In the fat, tomato and paprika. A little bit of the magic ingredient that comes in a box. Water could be used as well if you prefer. Now that I have liquid in there, let's put in a bay leaf. And because it's small, I'm going to do 2. Okay. So I'm going to let that cook down a little bit with a little help of sriracha. Or whatever type of chili sauce you prefer. Okay, that actually needs a little more magic ingredient in a box. Ah, there we are. After all, I'm not making stir fry. So now, my challenge is to let that cook until the lentils are done. Should take about 15 to 20 minutes. And once that's accomplished, I will throw in the mint leaves. And that is it. Lentil soup for work. 8 minutes. I'm getting better at this. So, thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching me stir. I'm the Awful Chef. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.